Do you want to learn more about makeup, hairstyling, skin care, or other beauty tips? Do you want to take better care of your appearance but aren't sure where you should start? This video is full of beauty advice that anyone can use. Start reading if you want to learn all about beauty. A great tip when it comes to beauty is to not overdo the makeup. Oftentimes novices have a tendency to put on too much makeup and as such make themselves look worse. Use makeup sparingly, and you'll find you will be turning guys' heads everywhere you go. An eyelash curler can help to bring out the vibrance in your lashes. Many people forget about how fantastic they can make their eyelashes appear by using a curler. When you curl your eyelashes, your eyes look bigger and brighter. You can also find heated versions that say they allow curls to stay in longer. When your nail polish starts to thicken up, you can add a few drops of nail polish remover to the bottle to thin it. Shake the bottle well after the addition of the nail polish remover to mix thoroughly and continue your manicure as usual. You should be able to get several more applications from the bottle. Wash your face before going to sleep. This will remove all the impurities and dirt from the day. Use a makeup remover first, to remove your makeup, then use a face wash. If you don't cleanse your face before bed, your pores can get clogged and cause pimples or spots. Keep wool pads that have been soaked in water in your fridge. You can also keep tea bags or cucumbers in your fridge. This is great if you have puffy eyes and can relieve them. Using this on your eyes will make you look refreshed and will last all day. Prior to going to bed, be sure to remove all of your makeup. Do this with warm water and a gentle washcloth, or use a makeup remover. After that, wash your face like normal with your usual routine. Makeup that stays on your face will clog your pores and cause acne. If you have overly round eyes, you can elongate them by adjusting your eyeliner application. The outer 2/3 of your lower and upper lash lines should be lined with a dark brown liner. The two lines should meet at the outer corner of each eye. Finally, apply 2 coats of mascara to your outer upper lashes. Tone down a lipstick that is too bold or bright. A great way to make an overly pigmented shade easier on the eyes is to put some on the back of your hand, dab it with foundation, mix, and apply to lips. Your new shade should now be a better match for your tone. To get a smoother look when applying your eyeshadow, apply primer first. Primer will give the eyeshadow an even surface and will create a smooth effect. It will also make your eyeshadow color look brighter and more vibrant. Be sure to choose a primer specifically designed for use on the eyes. To get a better looking updo, wash your hair the night before instead of in the morning. This will allow natural oils to collect in your hair, which will give your upstyle a much better hold. You'll also be less prone to flyaway hairs, giving you a smoother and sleeker look. If you suffer from ingrown hairs when shaving, try using a bit of quality moisturizing cream on your legs as soon as they're done, that is before your legs are fully dry. A quality moisturizing cream is rich in emollients, which means that existing hairs will grow straight outward, rather than embed in your skin. If you find that your feet are dry and scaly looking and feeling, try using a petroleum jelly product to treat them. Apply a generous amount on your feet and cover them with thick socks at night before you go to bed. Your feet will absorb the moisture out of the petroleum jelly and will quickly look and feel much better. If you are diligent in your daily hygiene routine by brushing your teeth and using mouthwash, yet you still have a problem with bad breath, you must remember to floss, as well. Flossing dislodges bacteria that are between your teeth, which could be causing the odor problem. It is recommended you floss daily. It may seem like it's hard to achieve great makeup or salon-style hair on your own. However, if you know what you're doing, beautiful looks are easy to achieve. The tips in this article will help you to look the way you want to look. Take the time to practice our advice, and soon you'll be a beauty expert.